Yes, Oreos are vegan, but are they good for you? No. We're all about supporting a healthy Santa in this household. We're gonna reverse Santa's diabetes, lower his blood pressure. Okay, we are trying to help him reduce his inflammation. We are gonna help heal you, Santa, through the healing power of plant-based, whole food, plant-based cookies and some homemade oat milk made with alkaline water. That's right, we're gonna renew you, mind, body, and spirit. Please help support a healthy Santa. We are going to make cookies, chickpea cookies for Santa. Although Santa won't be eating any of them because Berkeley and I are gonna eat them ourselves. Chickpeas, maple syrup, baking powder, chocolate chips are optional. These are semi-sweet, natural ingredient, peanut butter. I keep it like that. So that way all the oils, natural oils from it come down and it's easier to get out once you're done. Imitation vanilla. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know I don't cook with real vanilla. If I really had it my way, I would get like some vanilla bean, but that is expensive. And a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. The recipe calls for sea salt, but I don't have any. I'm gonna use the pink salt. We're also gonna make homemade oat milk for Santa. Santa is gonna be looking fine if he comes to my house, when he comes to my house, because he is gonna be eating whole food, plant-based, and none of that dairy milk. He's gonna have my favorite. This is my favorite company for plant-based milk. I've been using them for a while. They were out of stock of the oat for a while, but now they have it back in stock. So excited about this. It's really simple. You just take a scoop, 2 tablespoons, I'm sorry, I misspoke. And then that's for every cup of water. I'm gonna link the video that I shared before that talks about how I noticed a difference in my daughter's health when we started using this type of plant milk versus the store-bought plant milk, where there's all sorts of like weird added things in that we don't necessarily know what they're made out of. So this is my ideal milk. It's made by Joy. I actually have a discount code. I partnered up with them because I believe in the product so much. So I will link that below, and I'll also link the video so you can see my more than 2 cents on what I feel, how I feel about some of the plant milks on the market. So we're gonna have the nothing but the best for Santa. Homemade oat milk, there's just 1 ingredient and it's organic, and we're gonna use real water, pure water, which would be either alkaline, real alkaline water, or real spring water. Today we will be using alkaline water.
It's really simple making this homemade oat milk. I'm telling you, I love this product. It's just organic oats, and then you add your water of choice, preferably a alkaline water or a spring water, and yeah, you just blend it out. The chickpea cookies are literally so good. So I don't have a food processor right now. The one I had, I don't know what happened to it. So I just made sure to mix this up really good since I am using a non-high speed. It's just a really basic blender. So I didn't want to damage it any more than I probably already have. So I just tried to get the liquids down to the bottom, and I pulsed it.
Can I just say I tasted the dough? It's taking everything in me to not like keep licking this and just eating it like this. It's that good. That good.
Where's my soap?
Berkeley, where you been? I've been in here making these cookies by myself. Where you been to help me?
Where's my soap?
Okay.
Oh, where's my
And the oven was preheating at 350, and you just take little spoonfuls and clump it together and put it on your pan, and you bake them from anywhere to 8 to 12 minutes. They're really good. You have to let them cool afterwards for quite a bit. So while I was waiting for those to bake, I decided I would fill up on some broccoli because I didn't want to eat way too many cookies when I really hadn't ate lunch at this point. So I steamed some broccoli, and of course I'm adding my favorite blue agave sriracha. I put this on everything. It just adds a nice little touch. If you guys want to try out my favorite sauce ever, I will link a discount code below so you can try it out. You can actually get $10 off your entire order. Yeah, it's my favorite sauce. The cookies have 5 minutes left. They smell so good, like so good. Oh my gosh. And like I said, you just have to let them cool for about 10 minutes before you try to eat them. I can't deal with this. These are too good. In honor of my grandmother who just recently passed, I am going to be using her special snowman plates here to place all my cookies on. Pretty sure these plates are only meant for decorative purposes, but they look adorable and I'm honoring my grandma, so who cares? Here's our homemade oat milk and my cute little fa la la cup. Isn't it so perfect? And look at this totally aesthetically pleasing little setup. I love it. All healthy, whole food, plant-based cookies. Santa, come to my house. We will treat you right. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. And if you wouldn't mind, hit the like button if you made it all the way through my video. It helps to support my channel. It helps with the algorithm. I do post videos every Monday and Friday and a ton of little videos in between. Make sure you come back next time for more plant-based inspiration. We'll see you then.